Well, there it is, right there. It's under my finger, but I couldn't sense it. There it is. If I get this in there, we're gonna be cooking with gas, I think. I'm gonna go inside and see if I can see it. Okay, I was able to get up in there and touch the tip of it, not get it come through, but I tried to. Basically comes through a hole that has to be, I don't know how to describe it, kind of wallered out. It's got a piece of fabric that's designed to keep the cold air from coming through that hole. So, if I can get my hand in there at the right angle, I believe I might be able to push it through. Hard to do. That was close. There we go. There's the hole. There's the cable. Well, I feel like I'm really close. Really close. Really close. Really close. Alright then, I got it through there. It cost me a little arm damage. But from reaching up in behind that shifter rod and all, but it's in there. I did have to loosen, if you see those 2 or 3 screws, I loosened the screws around the bottom and split that piece because apparently the head of this one was a bit bigger than the one that came out of it. It wouldn't go through there. So by splitting it, I was able to get it through there and I'm gonna put those screws in and put it back in place. I'm gonna connect that to the speedometer and then we'll see if the speedometer works. If it does, I'll tighten them screws up. That'd be one more job we'd call done. And then I'll go after I have one more job I'd like to do today that probably wouldn't take too long, and I might get that cleared right up too. We'll see.